Nikki here. Today I'm going to be showing you the combo you just saw, which is a reverse escalator knee break into a wedgie. So let's go ahead and get started. As you might have guessed, there are two prerequisites to this tutorial. The first one is the reverse escalator knee break, and the second is the standard wedgie. I'm going to go ahead and link my own tutorials in the description of this video in case you don't have those yet. This tutorial is going to be a lot easier if you have those basics first. Then meet us back here and you get it in a cinch. So let's break it down into what I would say would be a two-step part tutorial. The first step is really your escalator knee break. So if you have that already, just have it really, really strong because you need a lot of momentum for this trick. Now, the first part of this trick is that escalator knee break, and when we normally do it, we catch it, right? And the first part of this, just don't catch it. That's number one. Number two, while you're doing the escalator knee break, keep the leg that you're doing the escalator knee break up. And I'm going to show you why. If you do the escalator knee break and just don't catch it, let's see what happens. Don't catch it. It swung right over my head because of the momentum. Because my escalator knee break was so strong, it wants to keep going. So just don't catch it. Now, why do you have to leave your leg up? I'll show you what happens if I don't leave my leg up, but I do not catch it. Cool, so it went over my head because I have momentum, but now I'm stuck, I'm not in wedgie. Where should I be? I should be here to be in the wedgie. And I wasn't because I put my foot down. So the first part of the trick, to summarize, is don't catch it, do your reverse escalator knee break, and keep that leg up. Let's see that one more time. Boom, this is part one. Now you can put your foot down and you're in the wedgie position. The second part of the trick is quite easy. I'm just gonna call it, just duck down. Let me show you what I mean. When you do the reverse escalator knee break, now it's here, and you could go into the wedgie. That's a transition you can play with, but that's not what we're here for the tutorial. What you saw is that the hoop wants to keep moving because of the momentum. It's actually behind you, right here, and it wants to keep going forward, but it can't because my back and my body's in the way. So just duck down for it. And now it's between your legs on the other side, and you can continue that wedgie. So let me show you that. Again, reverse escalator knee break, it goes over. See how it wants to keep going? Just duck down and let it be. So, two-step tutorial that I'm going to summarize for you. I think there are 4 main points of this tutorial that I want to get across. Number 1, have a very strong escalator knee break. Number 2, don't catch it. Number 3, keep the leg up that you escalator knee braked up. Number 4, duck down. So let's see if I can show you that in all one motion. And then after this, I'll show you a slow motion as well. So, reverse escalator knee break, duck down. Kind of want to say it more for you, so let me try that one more time. Reverse escalator knee break, don't catch it, keep the foot up, duck down. All right, and here's your slow-mo version. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this brings some brightness to your day. If you have any questions, any tutorial requests, please feel free to comment here, Instagram or Facebook. Bye. Happy hooping.